There we go, the standard ugly unmatching steering wheel of base F30. Let's remove the top cover from the steering column to gain access to the two pins that hold the airbag to the steering wheel. It is very hard to show it to you, so I place it on the table after removing it myself. You basically need to push these two pins to the side and use something as a leverage to pull the airbag or apply some tension there. Once the tension is applied and the pins are released, you can just pull the airbag out, disconnect the connectors, and there you go, and remove one big bolt in the middle, which is bigger pain to remove as the steering wheel likes to turn with it. So a buddy or someone to help you would be great. There's a new one. It's a cheaply made custom steering wheel with the shift paddles, M buttons and other stuff. Something representing Alcantara on the side, which is probably not, but it's good enough and it looks good enough. Thicker, sportier, nicer. Let's place it in the car and see how it will look like. And there it goes. In the car, everything works, all the button functions, the lights are matched with my interior ambient lighting. Let's make outside view as well. And there it is from outside. It's much better and much sportier look.